Will Empress and the Obi Yellow Sissy dead Yellow Sissy she there for corner.
Hey, we about.
Hey, you want to flatten me.
Hey, what do you want? With him, stand and have you did.
Yeah. Hey, you are old man, but you like small things.
I like that. That horse.
That's why I love you. Until I'm sick, I am mood. I am a moon. Maybe I want, sir. At least 8,000, 2,000, 3,000. So this kind of weird run here to me is time. Oh, to me is time. Oh, something the rest of me, yeah. Pressure. Inside like
doggy started last time.
Say.
When you know, honey. About you over so cool. Over so
much. I don't know. Scanning when you're scanning your double moon for me. Okay. Scanning when you're no. I dear many Jones who say, who knew Bia? Mimim pet or Bia, many betrobi. Who say, who knew Bia? Miss me knew Bia. I said, the old year, one bit me. Oh, be to me. Oh, Luna.
And no. I got a man, you know, first.
Oh, Lou.
Die.
Oh, Lou, we are there.
Yeah. I dear, we say. Ukula so crowd the show no mukura when you to tell when my cat
Mammy no oh mammy no oh so ya de o gina me so che obi owo sa wo fie ke ni kwan so gina me so che sa ade so ya de ade
ne the skills
ana unum sa wi nsan bi
ha
because Olu me say
I dey me you did that no me dey na natural
wow be dey me no won show bi o
I experience am sure who say me bo sa na me who say me ya pepe pa me die match
Jesus is Lord
Cynthia
me who say me bo me bo pa and who say e be pepe pa na ma poso who's my poso pa na ma chim sim ya na
I incident draw we am za then na we
nti I said o ka na fro papa e ka ka na fro papa na you know no na give me a post no hangi wa
kama unyampe mimi fa yombo na papa wa
omo ni experience no
so the uji na me so
o tip then na no ne papa then na ne yo
papa yo
experience ne ya dikasa kiasi
Olu Lord ya me do me fa we ti da body we ya o ya
man tell me say ma pe o say you know say o kala
do me kala do
natural one yes
Olu
say wo furu so a star na we ma me nya dia betimi e swat ya say
Olu we ni na ya
enu ano no o ti ase enu ano no so wo furu so a wo ti ni star ya
Jesus
wanya nko adwuma Hey, Olu. Hey, Mpacho. Good evening. How are you? You want to know? Oh, okay. Hey, Olu, one for now. That may be fear be obi anymore. Fanatiam. You want to know? Mpacho, me so me and boyfriend. The song Warren. Okay. Me da se me shia. You, I'm papa. And I me treat 9. I am about between 9 actually. Right. Olu.
Okay.
Olu.
Auntie. Sister. I don't want to go. Papa.
Tell it to Allah. I dey fio ma.
Papa peden wa.
I dey hope peden wa. Obi asma wa.
I want to.
I am a boyfriend. I am your
boyfriend. Mba ma ba. Auntie. I don't want na. From so I show. Papa. Unyim. Oden.
I am a boyfriend.
Why them friend? Unim na erinye.
Anya ni euro sisi na madam ne macho say your day.
Why they cafe ni so no mo.
Eh, I don't know so me say don't me ana.
It's offer. That how you know. Ana to sir. You na say ana onyem ga bi we kire an. Wasa anyem wa. That how you know.
What Jimmy kakra na.
Then you.
What Jimmy kakra.
Mo get some aba no mo to mo bo. That how you know mo say bibia. Wo so onyem. Madam, Sabali, you have been loyal to this man. He's a married man. That's the level of.
Oh, for once I'm sorry.
What do you mean, Clara?
It's not say.
Offer.
Madam.
Me memo.
The
situation na me woman. It is inconvenient. Me mem.
So Offer, you are lying to me. You let me give my heart upon you.
Your heart, no.
Oh shit.
Who
donate organs into their man. Oh, organ donor, doctor, surgery, US surgery. Why are you?
Offer, so you lied to me, Olu, you lied to me. You eat my thing. You lied to me.
And they were eating the kwa.
Fried rice.
Olu,
come on,
I'm disappointed. Don't push me. Don't push me. Do you know me? Do you know the color I am?
Auntie,
I shall most solia.
Illicit. Offer, don't call me again. If you call me again, you see.
Joking.
I shall. Whoa! I didn't call for. Now they may know me and your night. Whom you are Johnny? I offer the own. Brown folk, one woman, Martini now. But you may not ask the situation, and I'm situation, I didn't know what be one. Maybe I don't say before Cassam will see how Uguman must know. I dare say, Parampa will move at the beginning, and you're fine. You call me situation. No one can decide you waiting. Oh, my
So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you to those who are about to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos that I give you.